Good morning, children. I hope so. You all have enjoyed the PPT of skip counting. Now, let's start with our text. For that, you need Term 1, Book A. Open the math section and open to page number 21. Here comes our lesson number 2, numbers till 100. Now always write the date. So I want you all to write 21/4/20, the date. Yes? And keep your pencils in your hand. Let's start reading. Read after me. Make groups of the differently shaped diyas in tens and ones. So we have to make the group of diyas in tens place and in ones place. Write the number of diyas in numerals and words. So we have to write the numbers of diyas in numbers as well as in number names. Come on, count the diyas. I'll give you some time to count the diyas. Correct. Now, the triangle shaped diyas are 29. The square diyas are 25. The oval shaped diyas are 26. So I want you to write the numbers. 2, 9, 29. In tens 2 and in ones 9. Then you'll write the number. Then in tens place 2 and 5, 25 diyas. In tens place 2 and ones place 6, 26 diyas. And then we are going to write the number names. So write the number name 29, 25, 26. We already have revised the number names in the revision worksheet. Now I want you to read this after me. Arrange the number of diyas in order from the greatest to the smallest. Now, which is the greatest one? 29, then 26 and then 25. So, let's write 29 in this box, 26 in this box and 25 in the next box. Let's read. Now, tick what you already know. So, you can count and read numbers. See, it's written here, I can. That means you all can count and read the numbers. Write the number names for any 2-digit numbers. Express numbers in tens and ones and compare and order numbers. So, everywhere we have to put tick, 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 because you all know these things. I want you to turn the page. Come to page number 22. I think so it's visible for you all. Yes. Now this is page number 22. These are the important topics which we are going to learn in this lesson. So first they have written here skip counting. Then they have written place value, then expanded and standard form, comparing numbers, arranging in ascending, descending, that is increasing, decreasing, then to form greatest and smallest 2-digit number, and then numbers with the and without repeating the digits, and also even an odd number. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Now let's start reading. Celebrating Diwali. Everybody read after me. Diwali is around the corner. Navya is going to a Diwali fair with her parents. So many bulbs. Count those bulbs. Now children, you can see here there are so many bulbs. They are red and blue bulbs. Now she's telling, come on, see, in this fair, so many bulbs are there. Let's count the bulbs. Here we come with our topic, skip counting. Now, keep your pencils and start reading. Skip counting. Now Vya notices the pattern of bulbs. She counts the bulbs by skip counting by 2. Continue to count and write the missing numbers in the blank bulbs. Now we have to write the missing number in this blank bulb. Okay. So we will skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Skip count by 2 will get 12. So take your pencil and write 12 number. Then we'll go to 14, 16 and 18. See, Navya is telling you all there are 2 red bulbs and 2 blue bulbs. Did you all write the skip counting numbers in the bulbs, children? Very good. Now let's go to the next picture. Can you see this picture? Yes. Navya saw now 3 bulbs. Blue, green and red and yellow. But they all are in threes. Let's read. Navya counts the small lights on the stage. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 and so on. She counts the lights by skip counting by 3. Continue to count and write the missing number in the bulbs. Now look at these bulbs. Now we have to write the missing number, children. So in this bulb there is 3. So we all are going to skip count by number 3. 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24 and 27. So we skipped count by 3s and we got the numbers. Did you all write in the bulbs the numbers? Okay, very good. Now let's go and read the next part. Navya and her parents go to a diya stall. Navya notices some packs of beautiful diyas and candles on a table. Look here, beautiful diyas. Navya has been watching all the diyas around her and so many beautiful diyas are there, candles are there. Now turn the page. Now let's go to page number 24 and start reading. Help her count the diyas. Now whom we are going to help? Navya. We saw her in the shop. She got so many diyas. Now let's help her to count the diyas. Skip count by 5 and write the numbers in the given boxes. Now we have to skip count the number by 5 and we have to write the number in the box. This is all the diyas are in the 5 numbers. Okay, children? Of 5 groups. Now let's count. 5, 10, 15. 15 plus 5. Let's count. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll get here 20. Now skip count by more 5. 20 and 5, 25. 25 and 5, 30. So I want you to write in the box these numbers. Take your pencil and write it down. Very good. Now let's go to the next line. Now help her count the candles. Skip count by 10 and write the number in the given boxes. Now she's got candles, but these candles we have to skip count by 10. Let's see. 10, 20, 20 plus 10. Let's count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 20 plus 10 is 30. If we skip 10 numbers, we get 30. Again, skip 10 numbers, we'll get 40. Skip 10 numbers, we'll get 50. So I want you to write all these numbers. Now let's go down. Here, count these. After 50, more 10 numbers, 60. And more 10 numbers. If we skip, we get 70. Oh, look here. Look around. You can see the owl here. Yes, it's telling you find out the numbers of bowls, glasses and plates in your kitchen by skip counting in 2s, 3s or 5s. Already in the PPT that homework is given to you all. So please find out. Now let's see what knowledge nugget we are getting in this. Oh, we can use skip counting to quickly count items of the same type and number arranged in a pattern. So skip counting is really helpful for quick count items of the same type. Okay, so always skip counting is going to help you in counting the numbers. Oh, now these all we did in the classwork. Now this is your practice work. So please write P.W on this page when you solve it. This is your homework. Now mummy, daddy are going to sit with you all and they are going to help you to solve this page. Okay, already even this froggy is jumping forwards by how many steps that you have to see, and mom and dad are going to help you for this. So page number 25 is your practice work. Okay, now let's go to page number 26. We are going to do this together because this is backward jumps. Now number 3, let's read. Begin from the number 47 and take 4 backward jumps in 3s on the number line. Write the number you arrive at. Now don't see this number. Let's do the action. Keep your pencil on 47 number and we are going to go only 4 jumps by skipping 3 numbers. So take 1, 2, 3, 4. How many jumps did we take? 4 jumps by skipping the numbers. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Very good. And we get the answer here 35. So we are going to write here the number 35. So they have asked you write the number you arrived at. So we have to write the number 35. Now children, this question number 4, question number 5 is a homework for you. Okay, that is a practice work. Practice work means it's a homework. Now you have to take help of your mummy daddy and you have to complete this exercise. Okay, now these 2 numbers are forward counting. Okay, but these are backward. I have written here purposely. Even this number line you have to give the forward jumps and you have to count the jumps and write here. Okay, even this question same way. So I have helped you this much. Now you have to complete your practice work. Then go to page number 27. This is also your practice work. So you will sit with your mom and dad and complete this page. Okay. So till now we have finished with our skip counting. Bye.